Welcome! In today's tutorial video I present you how to show the cards while choosing the hero you wanna play in Star Wars Battlefront 2. So at first open the options, then move to the gameplay tab and scroll down to the very bottom of the settings. Here you can see cards, you can switch it on or off. You can see there is free cards that you can use for your hero. I'm using this option because I like to remind what cards I'm using. If you choose a collection and any hero you playing, for me it would be specialist for example, and you unlock the cards and choose the free available cards and leveling it up, that will show you which cards you're using while you enter the game. So that would be all for today. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye!